Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into creating a gratitude journal in Notion for 2025. Our first step is to create a new page in Notion. Just click the plus icon on the left sidebar and select Page. Now we do this because every new project in Notion begins with a page. It's our canvas where we're going to build our gratitude journal. Next up, let's give our page a title and select an icon. Click on Untitled at the top and type 2025 Gratitude Journal. Then click the small icon next to it. Choose from Notion's icon library or upload your own. Personalizing your page with an icon helps to visually distinguish it from other pages you may have in Notion. Now that we've done that, let's create a table. Click on the body of your page and type /table, then press Enter. Select Full Page Table. This helps us because a table provides us with a structured layout to record our daily gratitudes. Next, we're going to customize our table columns to fit the purpose of a gratitude journal. The default columns are name and tags. Let's change name to date and tags to gratitude. Click on the title of the column and edit it. The reason we do this is to organize our journal entries by date and what we're grateful for each day. Finally, let's add some entries to our journal. Click on the plus new button on the top right of your table. A new row will appear. Click on the Date column cell and select today's date from the Calendar dropdown. Then click on the Gratitude column cell and type what you're grateful for today. Continuously adding entries to your journal is crucial as it helps in cultivating a habit of gratitude. And that's it. You now have a fully functional gratitude journal in Notion, ready to help you cultivate positivity in 2025. Remember, the key to gratitude journaling is consistency, so make sure to update it daily. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a more grateful year ahead.